Hi, I'm Patricia, and welcome to my creative space. Today we're going to make a 3-color Skinner blend, 2 different ways. Here I've got ultramarine blue, a blue that I've just took scraps and made a blue, and I have pearl. This middle blue is kind of sparkly because it's got all kinds of glitter in it, so this is going to be a real fun piece. So I've got these all rolled out on a setting 0, and I'm going to go ahead and make my cuts in them, getting the colors that I need. So I'm going to take my middle square cutter as usual, and I'm going to get my pearl. Set that off to the side. I'm going to take my pretty blue here, cut that out, set that to the side. Then I'm going to take my ultramarine blue and I'm going to cut that one out into a square as well. Okay, now that I have them all cut, I'm going to take and cut out my little triangles. So I'll make each one just like I did the other one in the other tutorial, making triangles. And I'm going to put them together. Sorry I'm taking so long at the cuts. I don't know what my problem was this day. Anyways, I guess I'm not putting it together yet. I'm just laying them out there. It's been a while since I recorded this. So there they are all cut. Now we just need to put them together. Okay, now we're going to put it together. I'm just going to start with my center one here. I'm going to use that light blue in the center. It's going to kind of go that way anyways, since I'm using that, pretty similar color that you're going to get anyway. Put my ultramarine blue over to one side, and I'll put my pearl on the other. And hopefully all that glitter and that pearl will flow into that dark ultramarine blue. It's going to be so pretty. So I'm just kind of pinching together. Got a little bit more work to do here. I don't know why I'm being so finicky right now, but I am. Okay, now we have to do a little bit of cutting and rearranging. So I'm just going to go try to follow this line here. Not very on it. So I'm going to cut this here. I'm going to take them and we're going to flip them up. And then we're going to cut off that extra little nub, making it all even. And we're going to do the same thing with the other side. So I was just checking to make sure I didn't have any blue on there. Not very good at following my lines here. That's alright. It works out. Like I said, as long as you got the colors together, you're going to get a nice blend anyway. So I'm going to cut this little nub off, toss it to the side, and we can get going. So there we have our 3 colors. Okay, now I'm just going to lift this up off the glass. I'm going to fold it on top of itself, how it needs to go through the pasta machine. See, it's still wanting to fall apart a little bit, but it'll go. Just kind of smoosh it together. It'll go. Okay. Now squish it. I'm going to take my blade, pick it back up. We're going to run it through the pasta machine like that. Put the fold down. And here you see we have a nice pretty blend. I like how it shifted. And it did make it real easy using that other blue as my center color. Is it a way of cheating? Maybe. I don't know. I got the color I wanted. light to dark anyway. But I got all that glitter in there to top it off because it's a color I just had mixed together. So I think it's kind of nice with the pearl and the glitter and everything. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to make the second way. Just like before in the last video, I'm going to make some little balls. But I'm going to cut out my squares first and make my balls. Okay, so here I've got all my balls made. And I'm going to take and I'm going to turn them into teardrops just like in the last Skinner blend video. This is your second option. Real easy to do. Just put them in the palm of your hands and making that teardrop. That's all we're doing. That's all there is to it. Making teardrops. I try to make sure they're the same size. I get a little finicky about it, I know. Anyways. Yes, big to little, big to little. Then we'll take the acrylic roller and we'll smush it down to where it will go through the pasta machine just fine. Sorry, I'm messing with my camera angle. It keeps wanting to move on me. I don't know why. So I'm just kind of keeping those squished together. I'm going to lift it up. Maybe after I get some of the bubbles out. Nope, I don't get the bubbles out here. I see a bubble. I must not have seen it. But there is a bubble. Now we're going to fold it up. Like I said, it's been a while since I did these, so. Oh, nope, I seen the bubbles. Okay, I got the bubbles. I popped a bubble. Anyways, so popping the bubbles now helps later. You want to get them all out that you can, that you see, before you go and make it real small. The more you get out now, the better. Anyways, we're going to run it through the pasta machine just like this. And now, here we have that beautiful 3-color Skinner blend. I know I should have used like something that really pops, but I like these colors together. Dark blue to pearl is just gorgeous. Can't help it. I'm going to stack these together here, and I'm going to run them through the pasta machine to make my Skinner blend, pardon me, a little bit bigger. And then we can end this tutorial and get started on the next one. It's going to be a fun one. We're going to make a flower cane. So here it is, all done. Nice and blended together. I love it. It's beautiful. So if this tutorial was helpful to you in any way, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I also have a Facebook group. I hope to see you there. You have a nice day, and don't forget to ring that bell. Thanks.